Well, it's time to blow something up with an airbag. Where the fuck am I putting it?
Right here, I guess. I don't know. As you can see, there's already damage done with the car. And
ooh, spinning. I don't want to fucking get anywhere near the thing when it go off.
oh fuck.
Just my luck to like spin off and just get me the fucking throat. Just,
I know, I'm trying to figure out where the fuck I'm gonna blow it up. Anyways, this is the ingredients of a little bit of fun. At least I think so. Get a close up on that.
Someone forgot to close the lid.
The only time it goes off, we didn't close the lid.
Really? Yeah, so it didn't do anything. The microwave's still perfectly fine.
You definitely got a fucking try to hold that? Oh, not even that. Oh.
This microwave's durable. Here's another one.
Man, it smells like fireworks now.
Word.
You breathe it in deadly.
Shaky ninja style.
So that was a fucking waste. A little bit upset.
I'm a lot upset, man.
Get over it.
No, man. I want to see this fire. You know what, Nick?